making some modifications to the trailer, and this is the room that we did one of them a few months ago, and we didn't give a video. So, do you want to see it? Just say yes.
Oh yes, let's see it.
Show them.
Okay. So what did we do in here?
We cut out shelves, and put in a washing machine, and we made a ladder.
We made a ladder and a railing.
Yeah, so I didn't fall out of bed, and that's so I could get up.
So in the center there was a big wide open space just for a TV that was never going to be used.
Plug here.
There still is one outlet there, but I put another one underneath. But so yeah, we were just showing the railing, the ladder. All right, buddy. Let's go show what we're gonna do next.
Okay. Oh.
Oop.
What?
I think we're about to run out of memory on this phone. So, all right. So what are we gonna do today?
Okay. Cut out all this, but not this.
Okay. So let's not settle down. Step back. So these two cabinets on the right-hand side, those cabinet doors are going to come off, right?
Coffee. Harry Potter cup.
Harry Potter coffee cup? Yeah. Mm-hmm. People are going to wonder why my 8-year-old's drinking coffee, and it's just the way we roll.
I like it! It's actually really good.
All right, so we had to switch phones. So tell us what we're doing over here, buddy.
We're cutting out cabinets.
We're cutting out cabinets
taking
again.
Off door thingies.
Taking off door thingies.
And losing space, but we're going to put
We are going to build.
right
We
there,
are going to
and
build
that's
another
a-
cabinet up next to
right
the TV, right?
Yeah.
Because right now we
I would go to take a this.
Why are we taking this out?
I'm getting it.
Yep. All right, what are you bringing down there, buddy?
It's a fireplace.
It's an electric fireplace.
Yeah.
Careful.
I just don't hate
Yeah.
this fire thingy.
Yeah, I'm more worried about you stepping on the cord that's dragging beneath you and tripping.
Ew.
All right, so we're going to take this guy and install it there, huh?
Yeah. Imagine these aren't here.
All right, close the doors and put it in front of it. Careful.
Ow, my toes.
All right, so that's what we're going to do is we're going to take those off, recess that in there. Is that what the plan is for today?
Yes.
All right. Let's see if this phone has more memory than the last one.
Oh, yeah.
What else do we have to do? Now, obviously, we got electric up here.
And we have to plug it in.
Yeah, we have to plug it in, but that electric, Mommy also puts her Sensies and some other things in there with the TV, so we can't use that one, so we have to put a new outlet in, huh?
Yeah, can I still plug it in?
You can plug it in for
And
now,
shut
just
them?
to show, yeah.
Where is it? I found it. It beeps.
Yeah, push the
It's
button.
angry.
And you have the cord in front of it,
Where's the... Oh, yeah, it's right
the
here.
remote, yeah.
It comes with a remote. And it comes with buttons. Who cares we have a remote?
Look
There's
at that.
flame. It goes lower. Low. The lowest. And then goes back up to 9. And then heat.
Nice and quiet heat compared to the other heater in here, huh?
Yes. This is high. What's the A?
Auto, so that's where you can set the actual temperature.
And there's a timer thingy.
There's a timer. Okay, all right, let's unplug that, pull it off this side, and we're going to start taking apart the cabinets. Started.
Okay, let's go.
All right, we grabbed the tools out of the front of the camper.
We need light.
Let there be light. All right.
My snap actually works.
All right. Hey, Gabe.
Yeah.
This camera zoom is way close, so I'm going to need... You finished your coffee already?
I just finished
like,
it.
dude, I haven't even gotten to my coffee yet.
I like
All right, anyway.
I like mine better than yours.
So what screwdriver do you need? Is it the square head or a Phillips head?
It's fill up with weird triangle lines.
Let me get down there and look. All right, what do we got here? No, that's the square head, baby.
What's a square head?
It's the one that's already on the impact gun. It's the one that's most of the RV stuff is used.
Oh.
It's already, like I said, it's already on the impact
It's already on the impact gun. Hey, I need to show them the tip.
Okay. Go ahead. Be
Okay,
careful.
hold the door.
I'm going to hold the door. Don't worry. All right, you want me to do the bottom ones, or you want to do the bottom
Yes,
ones? Okay.
you do it, but I hold the camera on.
Camryon? What is the Camryon?
The camera?
Camera?
But
You're just
in
making up
French.
words? Oh, you think so, huh?
Okay.
Yes. All right, so in here, we're going to have to take all this stuff out. Hey,
Oh, yummy! I
we're
like
still
this.
going to have breakfast soon.
Yes, fine.
These are much
These
smaller
are
screws.
great.
All right, bud. We're going to have to cut across there, cut it down here. We're going to try and take these guys off. Obviously, this shelf has to come out. And then we'll test fit it.
Yay.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, first thing we need to do, well, it's not really the first thing, but just all this little trim pieces in here can come out.
Wait, there's drum pieces?
Yep, there's trim pieces of these shelves. They just have this little piece of luan, this little thin wood,
Yeah.
and then to cover the seams, they put these little pieces of trim in. So I'm gonna pop those off. I'm gonna pop this whole shelf off, and then, so if you notice my hand, I can go up under here and see how that whole thing's moving.
Oh, yeah.
So I can pop that whole shelf off of there, and then it'll show me what's going on. See, like that. But I want to get that trim off first.
Ah.
So it's just a thin.
Thin.
Yep, just thin wood.
So.
So this is a little piece of trim inside.
So, do you think it will look nice?
Oh, I definitely think it'll look nice, and I see all the staples that they put in this.
Wait,
so
they
this is gonna
put
be a lot of
staples?
Yep, come here. The trim's covering all these staples. So all those
yeah.
staples and all that stuff.
Okay, they're weirdos.
Yeah, and just like taking anything off in the RV, there's a lot of sawdust underneath that. So here's the staples. If you want to take a look there.
Staple. Wait, hey, where are they?
It's
I
right here.
found it.
So when Daddy popped it from underneath, he pulled the staple up with it.
Can I try to pull it out?
Yeah, do you want to do it with your fingers, or
Too easy. I pulled it out with my own fingers.
you don't have to scream at the camera.
And I'm only 8.
Okay, put it down so it's safe. Okay, so we know where it's at.
Any more?
All right, yeah. Well, there's gonna be more. Daddy's gonna pop a few out.
Hey, can I pop them? 2?
Well, yeah, I'm just sitting there under with my hand underneath, flat palmed. So all I'm doing is flat palm underneath with this part of my hand, just kind of pushing up on it.
Oh.
So if you want to go underneath there and do that same thing,
Okay.
feel free. No, I didn't say hit. Kind of push up. There you go. Because you don't want to break it. The goal is not to break through that thin wood.
But I could have done it already.
You could have, I know.
Probably like that.
Yeah, we're not going to break it.